Today's video is going to be on installing the new cabin air filter for the BK1 and BK2 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Doesn't matter what model, or I mean trim, but this is for the 2-liter at least. I don't know about the 3.8, but this is for the 2-liter. So 2010 to 2014. So you just have to take the little, these little tab things right over here. I already did it because it's going to be difficult for trying to do it with one hand. But then you take the little arm thing off right here. Pretty sure I could do that with the one hand. Yep. Gotta take all the other stuff out of here. And then that falls down. Let me get some light in here. Okay. So we got the two little prong tabs right here. You just pinch your thumb and your pointer finger together, and then it comes out. So it's only on the left side, the driver's side. Passenger side, it just pushes into the side over there, and then you just clip it back in. Oh, this one's looking pretty spicy. Oh yeah, this one's good. Can't change this one out in a while. Shit, it's pretty dirty. So normally they tell you which way the airflow goes. Right here, over there in the middle of the screen, it says airflow, and then I got the arrow and it points downwards. So that's pretty good. Let me show you what the brand new one looks like. Old, and I want to say last time I changed that out was probably 2020 or 2021, so it's been quite some time. But yeah. Alright, so like I said, got to figure out which way the airflow is, and there you go right there. So the Genesis Coupe, it points down right there with the arrow. So we just get that in there. Okay. There we go. like I said. Let me get the light up. Push that in there. Like that. And then this will just why does it not want to go in there? Technical difficulties for some reason. Okay, there we go. Okay, everything's reinstalled. As far as that goes, now we gotta put the little arm thing back on over here, and you just gotta get the arm thing on over here. There you go, snap it back in. So that holds it from falling down on you, but it's a little misaligned. So now we gotta put these back in. There's one. Let's see if I can actually get that. There we go. All right, so push the rubber part in there. There we go. Well, that's it. It's not too hard, but trying to film and do it by yourself, it's pretty difficult. So sorry for the longer video than you were probably expecting, but that's it. Till next time.